Good enough yet. And Eliza, she doesn't know any better, so I get a chance to do her hair quite often. I'm gonna keep that out there. I'll brush you together right here. You all right?
Yeah.
We all find our unique things that we do together, and so even when they're doing each other's.
And, you know, sometimes that's when I get things that I don't hear about her day. She's more relaxed at that time, and she opens up a little bit more.
It hurt?
Okay. Her hair is so curly, it's kind of hard to do sometimes.
What could I do better? Braids? The twist?
Just the side pony.
But at the same time, I want to be able to provide that.
Details.
I actually deal with a lot of male clientele. They'll come to me and they say, hey, T, you know, can you help me with my daughter's hair? And because I have a passion for hair and a passion for teaching, I thought that that would be a great opportunity to step in, because we expect dads to be about sports and we expect them to be about other things, but there are things that you can do with your child. Doing hair is...
Back to my channel, and trust you're doing great. If today is your first time, you are most welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, you are highly welcome. It is always a joy to see you, and I do appreciate all your love and support. I do not take you for granted. So this is ALS Organic Cosmetics, the place where we look after our hair and skin in the organic way. So today we're doing another reaction video. Woohoo! And today is the Dâd'S turn. So we're going to be watching some celebrity dads, NFL players, like regular dads learn how to do their children's hair for the first time. So moms, are you in the house? Go grab the dads and let's all watch. Men, get involved in the care of your children's hair. So people, without talking much, let's jump right into the video. And 1, 2, 3.
Let me learn a little bit.
Ooh, look at the dad.
All the way together, like
look
mine.
At the princess.
Let me check you out. Let me see you. Oh, okay, let me see. Not yet, not yet.
No.
I ain't got it yet. All right, sit back down.
Oh, Dad did a good job, but she said, Dad didn't do a good job, people. Oh, she's so beautiful. But that is bonding time, people. That is beautiful to see. Okay, let's go.
All right, sit back down. Let me try again.
Let me try again. Oh, beautiful. Well done, Dad. Dad's got this.
So one way dads are trying to stay involved in their kids' lives, doing their daughter's hair. This is actually my barbershop here at 30 Rock. But dads aren't just taking their sons to the barbershop anymore. No. Dads are actually doing their daughter's hair as a way to form a lasting relationship.
You see, a lasting relationships. Dads, you must get involved in your children's hair. Trust me, the head has a lot of memory. Okay, so if you as a dad, you touch your daughter's hair, that is a mark that you've left to them. So dads, get involved. Let's go.
As they braid.
I'm Frank Whitfield, and we have 3 beautiful daughters, Octavia, Sophia, and Eliza.
My name is Ricardo Benson. My daughter is Colby Benson.
Outside Cleveland, Ohio, 2 dads are tackling the tresses of their daughters.
Tresses.
Or at least trying to.
Tresses of your daughters.
Tired. I'm tired. On my back. I recently made a huge decision to resign from my job, so I'm around a lot more the house, and I want to be able to chip in and help out with the kids with their hair. I came into Octavia's life when she was 8 years old, so I went from single to married with a daughter.
Beautiful.
Immediately I had to learn how to figure out how to do her hair when we wanted to go out somewhere. And Sophia, she doesn't let me do her hair yet because she doesn't feel like I'm good enough yet. And Eliza, she doesn't know any better, so I get a chance to do her hair quite often. I'm gonna keep that out there. I'll brush you together right here. You all right? We all find our unique things that we do together. And so even when they're doing each other's hair, I'm sitting amongst them talking to them. So, you know, hair is a big part of this house. And a lot of households, hair is a key.
Bonding is so important. So these young ladies will grow up knowing who a good man is, so they don't go taking wrong decisions. That is really nice to see. Beautiful, beautiful.
Part of it, so we get that bonding opportunity often, whether I'm doing the hair or not. We often get a chance to bond around it.
My daughter is my world. Everything I do is for her.
The combing, the brushing, it's not about looks, but about time together.
When we do her hair, we do it at night. You know, we sit on the couch, we watch a movie, she'll read a book, and it's just time for us to really
This guy has got it nailed down. You can see him spraying the hair with the water, moisturize. He's got it nailed down. Okay, let's go.
sit down and talk about how her day was going. It's a bond for sure. I want my daughter to understand that she can talk to me about anything. And, you know, sometimes that's when I get things that I don't hear about her day. She's more relaxed at that time, and she opens up a little bit more.
Hurt?
Her hair is so curly, it's kind of hard to do sometimes.
What could I do better? Braids? The twist?
Oh,
Just
that's so
deciding.
sweet.
But at the same time, I want to be able to provide that for my daughter as well. I just hope that I can continue to put that smile on my daughter's face after I do her hair and her really like it. And me not be like, Daddy messed up on this one. Let's start over.
That's where Tyra Riggins comes in. She owns Naturally Me Studios and holds quarterly workshops teaching Frank, Ricardo, and others how to perfect their ponytails.
I actually deal with a lot of male clientele. They'll come to me and they say,
wow,
hey,
this
T,
woman is doing an amazing job teaching the dads how to perfect the hair. Wow. Oh, this is so good to see people. I'm just blown away. Wow.
you know, can you help me with my daughter's hair? And because I have a passion for hair and a passion for teaching, I thought that that would be a great opportunity to step in, because we expect dads to be about sports and we expect them to be about other things, but there are things that you can do with your child. Doing hair is actually really fun and interactive.
I decided to take this class just so I can be better at doing her hair, not hurting her, pulling her hair out, and learning how to braid.
Well, I think that's the challenge.
Yeah,
People
no
don't want you to
hair.
practice on them. You know, it's like they want you to have it right. So classes like this give me a chance to figure it out.
I hold the brush right here at the base because it makes it easier and you're not yanking.
Before I took the class, I was the
People
king.
want to think this is a very good thing that you go and learn how to do your daughter's hair, and you people come to me because, trust me, this hair, we've got it nailed down. You see the curls in my hair? You see? It has come with a bit of experimentation and a bit of hard work, sweat and tears, yeah, but we can all get our hair to this level. Trust me, it is possible. The hair doesn't have to look dry and brittle and lack the shine and all that. Our hair, remember when you came out of the womb, your hair was curly, it was beautiful, you could have grown with it if the right things were done. Right? So people, it's important that we learn. So this is such a good example that, look, this is like a classroom. This woman is doing an amazing job teaching how to look. And that's why I said the gap was that we were not taught how to look after this hair. This hair is the most expensive on this planet. But if you don't know how to look after it, it will look dry, it will look not pleasant. And then now we want to go and do other things to it. People, this is a good example. Let's go.
Got a ponytail, so just, you know, brush it all the way back. You know, try your best to squeeze it and put the rubber band around it. I still haven't figured out the braiding though.
A lot of them come out a little bit like the Pippi
She's so
Longstocking.
beautiful.
You know, sticking straight out of the head instead of actually laying down.
I feel like it seems easy, you know, grabbing two strands and twisting them tight. You know, last time I tried, I failed, so I ended up going back to the ponytail. So it's like, all right, I gotta master this thing.
So this is also a trend that's becoming more and more popular.
She's so
You got dads on YouTube learning how to do their daughter's hair. You've got dads teaching other dads how to do their daughter's hair. Now you've got this former NFL player named Matthew Cherry. He's written a book called Hair Love, highlights all of it. Why do you think this particular story resonates with so many people?
I just thought, you know, the father-daughter dynamic was so unique. Just this combination of like all these viral videos of black fathers doing their daughter's hair. These videos were going viral because people weren't used to seeing
dynamics, seeing
these images. They thought it was like an anomaly. And so with this, I just want to make sure that hopefully just normalize it. And, you know, right now, I think in 2019, like, you know, the gender norms are going away.
What do you want people to take away from the book?
I think there's a big stereotype that African-American men aren't involved in their kids' lives. And so just trying to normalize and show that, you know, yeah, we definitely, not only are we a part of our kids' lives, like we'll do things that you probably didn't think that we would do, like doing hair and, you know, things you do because you want to show your daughter that she's the most important thing in your world. And so I think that really is the messaging behind it.
But for those dads back in Ohio, it's the daily practice, the small moments with their girls that they treasure.
I wouldn't change it for the world, whether I'm messing up or it looks great, you know?
Yeah.
Every moment that I get with my daughter that's all that matters.
Being a father is about being present. It's important that they feel that love and that they feel that care and protection as a father. And I think things like being able to do their hair are just pluses. It shows that, hey, I want them to feel and look beautiful. Ability to bond with your daughters like this. This is something that is irreplaceable.
Oh, the ability to bond with your daughters is irreplaceable. People, that was beautiful. So dads, I hope that you're going to get more involved now in the care of the beautiful tresses of your daughters and your sons. People, let's do this together. Thank you so much for your time and thank you for watching. Share this video. Let more families see this. Let us know that we can look after our hair. Embrace your natural hair. Bye-bye.
Deal with a lot of male clientele. They'll come to me and they say, hey T, you know, can you help me with my daughter's hair? And because I have a passion for hair and a passion for teaching, I thought that that would be a great opportunity to step in, because we expect dads to be about sports and we expect them to be about other things, but there are things that you can do with your child. Doing hair is actually really fun and interactive.
I decided to take this class just so I could be better at doing her hair, not hurting her, pulling her hair out, and learning how to braid.
Well, I think that's the challenge. People don't want you to practice on them. You know, it's like they want you to have it right. So classes like this give me a chance to figure it out.
I hold the brush right here at the base because it makes it easier and you're not yanking.
Before I took the class,